BittyBrush. Hi, today we will draw a fire truck. Great! Wheel number 1. Wheel number 2. A flashing light. The window. Headlights. The line. And another line. Fire hose. Three circles. Stairs. Let's paint the car red. I like the color red. And you? Yellow. Gray color. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel. What a beautiful car it turned out to be. Bye-bye. Hello, let's draw a police car step by step. Wheel number 1. Wheel number 2. You're doing great. Let's draw a window. Perfectly. Let's spell the word police. Very well. Let's paint the car. The color is blue. Yellow, red. What a great car it turned out to be. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Hi! Let's draw an ambulance. Headlight. Good. Wheel number 1. Wonderful. Wheel number 2. A flashing light. Let's draw a window. The second window. Ambulance sign. Line. The second line. Let's color it. The color is red. Wonderful. And red again. Well done. Gray color. The window is blue. Good. We'll paint the wheels black. It turned out to be a cool ambulance. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Hi, today we will draw a taxi. wheel. The second wheel. Headlights. The window. Taxi checkers. Let's paint the taxi yellow. Very good. We'll paint the wheels black. The headlights are orange. What a beautiful taxi turned out! Subscribe to the BittyBrush channel.